Hello guys, I welcome you all in today's video. And if you guys, you receive some notification from PayPal and it says that your withdrawal you've hit you know, the withdrawal and let's say that you withdraw already a 15,000 peso and that is your withdrawal limit and you won't be able to withdraw some more money on it. And you wanted to increase your withdrawal limit and this video is for you. So because I'll be showing you how to increase your withdrawal or our withdrawal limit on PayPal in just a few steps. Okay, so let's get started. So what we're gonna do is you need to go to PayPal website and we need to log in our account. And after that, guys, what we're gonna do, guys, in order for us to increase our withdrawal limit is to verify our PayPal account. If your PayPal account or the email is not yet verified, you need to verify your account, guys. Okay. So what else? The payment method, and also the information that you provide on your PayPal. It might not be accurate, and you need to update it. And of course, one thing that helps it, guys, is you can act you can actually upgrade your account into business account so that you can upgrade or increase your withdrawal limit on PayPal. So that's it, guys. So I hope you enjoy and learn from these quick tutorials, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials on PayPal. Thank you.